recipe is a caramel sauce recipe, which is super easy to make, and you can use it for so many different recipes. Like I'm using it for my Snicker bar recipe, which I will link below if I've already posted it, or once I post it I will link it below. So let's jump ahead and see how to make this delicious and simple caramel sauce. So friends, let's see this easy 3-ingredient caramel sauce recipe, which is really delicious and it's very easy to make. So here I'm going to heat up a non-stick pan. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Now let the sugar, don't stir the sugar yet. For another 1.5 minutes on a very low flame, let the sugar start to melt on its own. So the heat is between low to just a little bit of medium, so very low flame. And soon you'll start to see that the sides of the sugar start to brown up a bit. That's the time when you start giving it a stir in intervals. So just stir it a little at a time. This will help the process, fasten up the process. And then you will see that the base of it starts to turn darkish brown. Don't put your flame on high. Just stir it in between, and now you will see that the process starts to fasten up and the sugar starts melting much quicker. So I timed this, and this took me exactly about 2 minutes for the sugar to actually start melting and turning into a darker brown color. So I'm showing you this video in real time so that you can take the same time as me to make the caramel sauce. So now you can see it has started to melt. So just start stirring it continuously till you get a lovely smooth consistency and all of the sugar starts to melt. Now I'm using regular sugar. You don't need to use powdered sugar, just regular sugar. And keep stirring it on a low to medium flame. Don't get tempted to make your flame high, otherwise it will get burnt. So on a very low flame, just keep stirring it till all of the sugar melts and you get this beautiful golden color syrup. If there are any lumps of sugar, just break them up, and with the heat they start to melt too. So like I said, this took me about 2 minutes to come to this consistency, because we're keeping the flame low. And now you can see how smooth and how beautiful this looks. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, which is at room temperature. And mix the butter in also well till both of the two ingredients get incorporated really nicely. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cream. So you get this beautiful thick caramel sauce. And then now just keep stirring it on a very low flame. And now once the mixture starts to bubble, you can put the heat off and keep stirring till you don't have any lumps in your mixture. So now I've turned the heat off. And I'm just going to stir it so that I don't have any lumps and I have a smooth mixture. This took me about half a minute till all of the 3 ingredients come together really well. So keep stirring. And once you get all 3 ingredients really nicely incorporated, then we're going to put the heat on again and again stir it. Again, we're looking for a lump-free, smooth caramel sauce. Now you can use this caramel sauce on various desserts. Now I'm made this because I was making Snicker bars at home. So, you can go and check out the Snicker bar recipe. I'll leave a link below of how I made my Snicker bars at home, and they're so delicious. Now, if a little bit of the mixture gets stuck to the bottom, don't worry. Eventually, with the heat, it does start to melt. Just keep on stirring patiently. And once you come to this nice smooth consistency, you can transfer it to a bowl, and you can see now how smooth the caramel sauce is. So that's it, guys. It's so simple, just three ingredients, a lot of patience, and a lot of stirring, and you have this beautiful caramel sauce.